Antate mudimu raulebua. Antate mudimu raulebua. Are. Metrao tam South Africa. Hela, metrao tam South Africa. Wetala. Wetala. Wirala. Ratana ka metrao beta ka plat. We are here, boys and girls, and I'm happy to see all of you. We are celebrating mathematics as we prepare ourselves for our math paper 2, which will be written on the 4th of November. We are going to now revise Euclidean geometry. Are we together? Yes. We are going to revise what? Euclidean geometry. And it's worth of how many marks in the examination? 40,000, 40 marks in the exam. So you must make sure. And the first thing that you need to know in Euclidean geometry is your theorems. You need to know your theorems. And you have to know 5 examinable theorems in grade 11, which one will come as a proof, to say prove this theorem. And how many in grade 12? 2. That is your proportionality theorem as well as your similarity theorem. So we have one of the past papers. We are going to see how best can we do that using the diagram analysis. Let us quickly read the question and the statement.
Vn and Vy are tangents to the circle at n and y. A is a point on the circle, and An, Ay, and Ny are chords, so that angle A is equal to 65 degrees.
Right. And then?
S is a point on AY, so that AN is parallel to SB.
So that what?
AN is parallel to SB.
So what are you given there? You are given 2 main critical aspects. One, you are given what? Tangent. And how many tangent? 2. What is the story behind tangent? Candidate Matbubu, what is the story behind 2 tangent? Tangent drawn from the same point are equal. What did I say?
Tangents drawn from the same point
are equal. I get it? Yes. So definitely from the diagram, this would have been drawn on your answer book. So what are my tangents? Let us say them.
V
and
Vy.
So these are equal. Do you agree?
Yes.
I take my colors and do that. And it forms some sort of a triangle. What type of a triangle is that? So which angles will be equal quickly? Y what? N1. Is it N1?
Yes.
N1 will be the same as what?
Y3.
Y3. This is going to be the same as that. Do you agree?
Yes.
Because now it's your isosceles triangle. What else? The reasons. Okay, the reason why I did this is going to be what? Turns from the same point. So let's say turns from what? Same point. Do you agree?
Yes.
Right. Then this one. Angles opposite equal sides. Do you agree?
Yes.
Angles opposite what?
Equal sides.
No longer base angles of an isosceles. That one to the dustbin. Do you agree?
Yes.
Right. What else?
We have tan-chord theorem.
We have what?
Tan-chord theorem.
Tan-chord theorem. And we also have, we are given values. I see 65 here. 65 is for what? Angle A. Where is it going to be? N1. So this will be what?
65.
Why?
Tan-chord
Tan-chord theorem.
theorem.
Yes. Candidate Sabalo, come and demonstrate the Tan-chord theorem as Jobe has said to us. What do? We must all raise our 2 index fingers. Let us all do that. Raise up your hands. Right. Demonstrate to us. Go on, my girl.
So you put your 2 index fingers here. You move along up until this point. And then you move 1 up until here. And then you go to the angle subtended at the circumference.
Or at the alternate what? Segment. Do it once more.
So we go tan-chord theorem.
Let's say it with a louder. Let's go. Tan-chord
theorem.
Do it on your book also. Do it on your book, on your graph, on your circle. Let us say it. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Tan-chord theorem.
Once again for the last time.
Tan-chord theorem.
Definitely. The other one is what? There is another one.
Yes, sir.
It can be what?
Maybe from here to here.
Yes.
You're going to say tan-chord
Let's say it with a? Wonderful. Let's give her a hand. So, Sebalo, are you saying I must write what here also? 65. Ne? Yes. So I can say what? Tan chord. Diagram analysis is important. And let me emphasize this. Should you not have enough time to write this on your book, as long as the reasons and statements are on the diagram, you will be awarded marks. Because we always start marking from the diagram. So your diagram analysis is very important, is very key. Just like your mind map. There's no way you can write an essay without a what? A mind map. So this is like our roadmap. What else, boys and girls? Talk to me. S what? S1, they are saying is equals to what? 65. SY. Why, candidate Mukoni? The F shape, do you see that? Yes. It's going to be what? 65. 65. Why? How do I write corresponding? Come again? Chorus. Ne? My God. And what? I must mention what? What are they? AN parallel to? SV. So we are going to do the diagram analysis after the break. We answer the question. What else, guys? What else? Are we done? No. What else can I find? Now, just to see if we are together. Furvey, candidate Furvey. Can I say angle S2 is going to be the same as angle Y3? Can I say that, candidate Furvey? Huh? Can I say that these two are subtended by the same segment? Why not, candidate Furvey? Are you saying yes or no, Michael? He's not sure. Can I say that? No. Why?
Because you haven't proven yet that SYVN is a cyclic quad.
I haven't. Let's give her a hand. Your theorems must be at the back of your head. Remember, what is a cyclic quad? Louder. A cyclic quad is a four-sided figure that touches the circumference of a circle 4 times. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is totally out. So it's not a cyclic quad, naturally, unless if I can prove it right. So never assume in geometry unless if you can prove that. Are we fine? Yes. Wonderful. What else? Is there something that I can deduce as a diagram from the diagram analysis? Nothing, ne? Do we have enough information? What is the first question? Maybe it will guide us also. What is the first question?
Write down with reasons 3 other angles, each equals to 65.
What are you saying to me? Louder. Write down.
With reasons 3 other angles, each equals to 65.
Each equal to 65. Look at God. How many do I have that are 65 already? 3. Already I have 3. So already I have 1. Let's label them. And then? 2. And then? 3. Give yourself a hand. And what is the mark for the first question? 3. So already I have answered. With the mind map, I already have that. Ne? So we are going to take a breather. Then when we come back, now we demonstrate how to represent your solution. Let's take a breather.